Hey guys, it's Joanna here. Happy New Year! This year, I want you to move daily. Remember, a short workout is better than no workout, okay? So this workout is a 7-minute workout which I want you to do first thing in the morning. Once you get out of bed, before you head into the shower, get this workout done. You don't even need any shoes on, you don't even need your sports bra on. It's a low impact workout. So get sweaty and then head into the shower. What you'll need is a pair of lightweight dumbbells. If you don't have a dumbbells, you can make your own dumbbells, or if you're a beginner, do the workout without any dumbbells. So let's get started and let's start your year strong. So I'm using 3 kilos each. You can use between 1 to 3 kilos. Again, if you're a beginner, do this workout without any dumbbells. So the first workout is going to be a squat and a press. So stand shoulder width apart, toes pointed forward. Give me a nice deep squat, push your butt back, and as you come up, press up to work on your shoulders. Okay, let's go. Deep squat and press up. Nice. So use the strength from your lower body to help you press the dumbbells right up. Very good. Squat, push your butt back into a nice deep low squat and press up. Work on those shoulder muscles. We want to tone your lower body and also your upper body. Good. Keep going. 3 more seconds. Last one. And rest it out. Second workout, dumbbell punches. So it's another kickboxing move, okay? So stand shoulder width apart, again, toes pointed forward. I just want you to twist and give me a nice left and right punch, okay? Ready? Let's go. Punch, left and right. Remember to keep the dumbbells up. Do not drop it down. This is not going to work on your arms, okay? Punch and twist your hips. Move your waist to work on your core as well. Good. Keep punching. Dumbbells straight ahead. Look straight at your target. Good. Don't drop the dumbbells now. Few more. Keep going. Start your new year and your morning strong and rest it out. Lunge twist, okay? So back to lower body. So it's going to be upper body and lower body. Stand, face forward. Give me a nice lunge back, okay? And twist to the opposite side. Alternate. Good. Lunge, twist, back, step back and twist. So keep the dumbbells close to your core. Good. Lunge and twist, lunge and twist. Bring them close. Good. Work on this core, work on your waist, work on your legs. Very nice. So each movement will work on multiple muscles. Keep lunging and rest it out. Now let's get down onto the floor. And let's get into Superman to push up, okay? You can use 1 dumbbell for this. Right, onto your floor, onto your mat, okay? Superman, lift the dumbbell up, push up. Good. Lift it up, push up. Very nice. Up, squeeze your lower back, push up. If this is difficult, do without the dumbbell and just push up. Choose your option and up. Keep going. As you progress, lift and up, okay? Lift and push up and rest it out. All right, let's get back down onto our lower body. Kneel to squat. So just hold the dumbbell, start low, okay? Start in a low kneel position and I want you to just come up to a low squat. The goal is to keep your body low at all times, okay? Nice. And come up. You want to place the dumbbell on your shoulders? You can, okay? Low and up. Always maintain low. Do not come up. The whole goal is to really work on your thighs. Keep going. Left and down. Let's go right and down. You should start to feel your heart rate and rest it out. Now let's stand up, shake it out a little bit. Let's get into plank row, okay? So let's get back down onto the floor. Right, in a plank row, start in a high plank, okay? Give me 1 nice tuck, in and out, left, right. That's 1, okay? Tuck in and out, left, right, good. Again, always maintain a nice flat plank. Good, in and out, row, row. This is one of my favorite workouts. It really works on your core and also it gives you nice back. Few more. Don't stop now. Feel your heart rate, feel muscles, and back up. All right, we're not dropping the dumbbells just yet, okay? Next workout is going to be to work on your shoulders. So side raises, okay? So give me a nice L raise, okay? Up, open up, back down, close it. Open, up, down, and close, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep your body straight, back straight, and tighten your core, okay? Up, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Up, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. One last one. And oh my God, I can really feel my shoulders for this workout. Shake it out a little bit, all right? And now let's get down onto the floor. Let's do wide V tucks, all right? So down onto the floor, lie flat down, okay? Grab one dumbbell, crunch up, open up to a wide V, okay? Good. And open up to a wide V, very nice. Split it, point your toes, open up. Good, keep going. You will really feel your upper, your lower abs, and also a little bit on your inner thighs. Keep going, very nice. Good. Woo! Work on those abs for the new year. Now, back up, turn over into plank rock. Okay, get into a nice solid plank. Right, arms down, shoulder width, okay? Into a nice plank, and all I want you to do is rock forward and back for the next 30 seconds. Good. Remember, no piking your butt, no dipping your lower back, straight line, and rock forward and back. Very, very good. Keep going, keep rocking. Good job. Small movement, but you will really feel your muscles, your deep muscles. Nice. And now one last workout. Let's get back up and let's just do a really simple squat hold, okay? Right, again, back to exercise number 1. Shoulder width apart, hold the dumbbells to challenge yourself. I want you to get into a low squat and just hold it for 30 seconds. Or even longer if you want to. Nice. Just hold it. Feel your muscles, feel your butt screaming, feel your sweat dripping, feel your upper body, tighten your core, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, bring your heart rate back down. This is your last workout. And you are done! Well done, guys. Now that you're sweaty, cool down for a little bit and then head into the shower and you will have an amazing day ahead, okay? So this is what I want you to do. For the first week, do 1 set. Second week, challenge yourself and go to 2 sets. Week 3, 3 sets, and the final week, 4 sets. So I want you to make this next 4 weeks your challenge to move every single day, okay? Do this workout, I trust you will see the difference. Your body will start to tone up, you will start to lose weight, and you will have much higher energy. So be sure to share this workout and get your friends to join you in this challenge. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, check out more workout videos and also workout challenges on my YouTube channel. Don't forget to turn on your notification button so that you will get notified every time I share a new workout video. Happy New Year and I'll see you! All the best!